Ladies and gentlemen, I have some wonderful news for you. New Colgate Dental Cream with miracle anti-enzyme ingredient Gardol is the only toothpaste with clinical proof of its effectiveness in actually reducing the formation of new cavities. This new Colgate discovery continues to guard against decay-causing enzymes even 12 hours after brushing. That is why, in full-year clinical tests, 4 out of 5 who used new Colgates with Gardol just morning and night developed no new cavities.
Creases look really sharp in the right places, but never on your eyes. That's why Revlon created Natural Wonder Crease-Proof Cream Shadow. Crease-Proof Shadow. It just won't creep into creases. It's wink-proof, fade-proof, even waterproof. Stays fresh, stays put in 21 beautiful colors. Natural Wonder Crease-Proof Shadow by Revlon. There you go.
When you find a girl whose hair feels like hair, she probably uses Ozone Fluid Net, the hairspray that leaves hair feeling like hair. It's the hairdresser's hairspray in the pink and gray can.
Looks like somebody's been doing some shopping, and that means somebody's been doing a lot of walking and getting more and more worn out, because by the time a woman assembles a complete spring wardrobe, she's generally covered a lot of floor space in a lot of stores.
She is the world's finest, most glamorous, most magnificent in beauty, the gift that will be treasured and trusted always.
Yes, she feels that she must buy wisely if she can. What can she do to be sure her money goes as far as possible?
Go, go, go. Take a National Airlines Miami Go-Go vacation. It's Miami at a go-go price. Low jet excursion fares, palatial oceanfront hotel, now at reduced rates. Have yourself a go-go vacation at America's Riviera. It's National Airlines Miami Go-Go. At a go-go price everyone can afford. Jet with National Sea. Coast to coast to coast.